Narzo 50 is the latest addition to the Indian smartphone market and offers some of the best features packed in a sleek and stylish design. In this review, we will take a closer look at the Realme Narzo 50 and its features, benefits, and downsides. Realme has brought in the Kevlar Speed design on the Realme Narzo 50, which gives the smartphone a premium look and feel. Just like that of a speeding car, the rear panel of the phone has a unique glossy finish, with a gradient design that looks stylish. However, the rear panel smudges easily and requires frequent cleaning. The smartphone's rear panel houses the camera's LED flash and volume rockers, and the SIM slot is located on the left spine. On the right spine, we have the power button embedded with the fingerprint sensor. The phone's lower end includes the USB Type-C port, speakers, and audio jack. The Realme Narzo 50 boasts of a large 6.6-inch LCD panel with an FHD resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, which is an edge over most phones in this segment that stick to a 90Hz display. The display also supports up to 180Hz of touch sampling rate and includes for 180 nits of peak brightness, 90% NTSC, a 90.8% screen-to-body ratio, and for a 1pi. The display offers an immersive viewing experience with 6 levels of refresh rate options that help users save battery. The phone's display is great for activities like video streaming, gaming, and casual browsing. The Realme Narzo 50 features a triple camera setup at the rear, with a 50MP primary camera, a 10MP macro shooter, and a 10MP B&W lens. The camera also supports features like portrait mode, 50MP mode, HDR support, night mode, AI scene enhancement, dual video support, and ultra macro. The camera performs well in daylight and outdoors. The Realme Narzo 50 draws power from the MediaTek Helio G96 chipset, paired with up to 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. One of the best features of the smartphone is the virtual expandable RAM that provides an overall of 11GB RAM on the phone. The phone's 4GB RAM variants get up to 3GB expansion, providing a total of 7GB RAM. The phone also has a microSD card slot that allows users to expand memory up to 1TB. In benchmarks, the Realme Narzo 50 scored 535 and 1845 in the single-core and multi-core tests, respectively. On Geekbench 5 benchmark and the 3D Mark GPU benchmark with the Wildlife test, the Realme Narzo 50 scored a total of 1088 with an average frame rate of 6.50. Gamers who are on a budget and looking for a phone that can handle heavy gaming sessions would find the Realme Narzo 50 to be a great option. The smartphone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G96 chipset, which has been specifically designed for gaming. The chipset is paired with up to 6GB of RAM and can virtually expand up to 5GB, providing an overall of 11GB RAM on the smartphone. This is a feature that sets the Realme Narzo 50 apart from other phones in its price range. The Realme Narzo 50's large 6.6-inch FHD LCD panel, with the 120Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate, is another reason why this phone is a great option for gamers. The high refresh rate ensures a smooth gaming experience with reduced lag, while the large screen provides an immersive gaming experience. The 6 levels of refresh rate also give users the option to save battery life depending on the task at hand. In addition to these features, the Realme Narzo 50 also comes with game-centric features like Game Space and HyperBoost 2.0. Game Space provides a centralized location for gamers to access their games and control settings like performance, network speed, and notification settings. HyperBoost 2.0 optimizes the phone's performance and enhances the gaming experience by allocating resources to the game being played. Overall, the Realme Narzo 50 is a great budget phone for gamers who are looking for a device that can handle heavy gaming sessions. With its powerful chipset, large display, and game-centric features, the Realme Narzo 50 is sure to provide a smooth and immersive gaming experience without breaking the bank. The Realme Narzo 50 is an impressive smartphone With premium features and an attractive price tag, the smartphone's 120Hz display, game-centric features, powerful battery backup, and expandable RAM make it a great buy in the mid-range segment. The phone's downsides include its easily smudged rear panel and underwhelming night mode overall. The Realme Narzo 50 is a highly competitive and aggressive device that offers a great experience to users.